Elijah, do you have hiccups? What's hiccups? Oh, baby, wake up. Baby. Elijah, wake up. You gotta eat. You just had a big burp. Oh, there's a smile. Hiccup. Hiccup. Oh, my baby. Elijah. Elijah. Baby. Oh, he's got the hiccups. He had them all the time in his in my tummy. Now he's outside and he's got the hiccups.